guys, so here we are, the long-awaited house tour. So I've been putting this off for a long time because honestly, like I wanted it to be perfect for this video. However, I'm realizing that it's just gonna keep evolving. We're gonna keep doing stuff to our house and it's probably never gonna be perfect. So here we are. I spontaneously decided I was gonna film this video. So it's not perfect, but this is what my house looks like. So basically I'm living off campus in a house with 3 of my best friends. Super fun, we're having a great time, and we all decorated together, had the best time, and we are all so proud of how our house turned out. We did it on a bit of a budget and got some cool stuff to decorate it. So I'm excited to show you guys, and without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to my home. So when you first walk in the house, we have our little mass cook, which is very relevant to today's times and would be so weird like a year ago, but you know, this is what we're doing now. So we've got these little command hooks and we just hang our masks on it. We got some keys and then a little shelf with random things, but yeah, that's not that relevant. Anyway, right next to that, you got my room. I already did a room tour, so if you guys want to go see that, I'll have that link down below. And then right next to my room, which is very convenient, is our pantry, where we have a ton of snacks. Our snack collection is kind of amazing. And next to that, we have a full-length mirror, which came with the house. It's a little bit awkward, but you know, still good to have. Moving on to the kitchen. As you can see, we got a very much black and white and gray theme going on. It's kind of like the big theme in our house, just a lot of neutral colors. Some fun white cabinets. This all just came with the house, so I couldn't really change it, but it did kind of end up working out. So yeah, I spent a lot of time in here. I do make a lot of food. We got an air fryer. This might be my favorite thing in our house. I use it all the time, probably once a day. It's just the most convenient thing for cooking for yourself specifically. And then over here we got a fruit stand, sink, all the essentials. And then my favorite thing is this little dishwasher. I guess it's like a sign, but it says if it's dirty or clean, because we realized that we would frequently forget if the dishes were clean or not, and then put dirty dishes in the clean dishes, and yeah, it's just hard because there's 4 of us living here. So this is actually helping a lot. It was $6 from Target, would highly recommend. And then moving on over here is the coffee station. Once again, another place to spend a lot of time at. We have this really tiny single pod espresso machine, and then this milk frother is separate. It's from Amazon. It's actually really good. I'll link it down below. And then we just have all the little coffee add-ons like hot chocolate, vital proteins. I think there's a chai mix here, sugar, a bunch of coffee pods, really just everything you need to make coffee. And then over here, we have a little bar area where we eat a lot of our meals. It came with these little bar chairs. There's 2 on the other side too, so clearly we eat a lot over here. And then this is kind of an interesting area. We have a lot of sweets, candy. We also have this cereal dispenser. It's from Amazon. It's really cute, however, it makes the cereal go stale, so do with that what you will. It is a good addition to the house, though. It's kind of just for decoration, I feel at this point. And then we also have our Oreo jar, which the lid broke, so these are definitely not edible anymore. However, still cute. And then our Jolly Rancher jar, you know, all the essentials over here. Okay, and then over here is kind of our dining area, sort of. So this table came with the house along with the chairs, which is actually really helpful because that would have been really expensive. But it's kind of plain looking, so we decorated it with these placemats I got from Home Goods. So over here is our bar cart, kinda. So we kind of sell random stuff here, little trinkets and stuff. Once again, more candy. And then this little art piece I actually made. I wouldn't say I'm that creative. I literally copied it off of something I found on Etsy. However, we did buy a canvas and then I just painted this little, it's abstract, you know, a little art piece over here. So I think that really pulls it all together. And then like I mentioned, this is a little bar area. So there's 2 more chairs over here. And honestly, we don't even really eat here that often. We usually eat here. And this is our living room. Our couch actually also came with the house, which was really nice. And then we just got a bunch of these pillows. A lot of them my roommate Madison actually brought from home, so we didn't have to buy them. But they really just pull the room together. Once again, a lot of neutral gray and white tones. And then this coffee table here, it was super cheap. I think it's from Target. It looks so cute, however, it's super wobbly, but I do think it really brings the area together. We have a nice little Venus LaFleur box under there, and then Architectural Digest magazine with Kendall Jenner on it to, you know, decorate it a bit. And then this huge candles from Target also. It smells so good. It was $17, and we got some coasters, a little cup holder, just for the aesthetic. Honestly, it's not that practical, but it is super cute. And then these little stools over here are also from Target. This was a bit of an impulse buy, but we were thinking it like really ties in the brown of the dining room chairs, and then also like the white obviously with like that chair and the pillows and blankets and stuff. This whole wall situation took us so long to get together. It's a little bit awkward because there's just like so much shelf space up here, but we finally, I think, got it to a place where it looks really cute. It's just like a bunch of random stuff up here. I mean, if you guys want to know where anything specific is, comment down below. I'll try to link it. But some things worth pointing out, I think. First of all, this picture frame. We go to this restaurant, Craig's, probably like once a month, and so we've been there a lot basically since we've come to LA. And one time we went and we were talking up the waiter like we normally do, making friends, and they gave us some free food. So our receipt said VIP. And then the next time we went, we were also making friends as we do, and got some more free food, and it said that Craig's paid for it. So these receipts are now on our shelf to forever live in our house. And then over here we have a fireplace that we're probably never gonna light. Still really cute though. I like the white brick. And then our neon sign is probably our favorite thing ever. It says welcome home on it. And I think it just really tied the whole room together because the lighting situation when it's dark out is a little bit awkward, and it just like really lights it up. And also it just like makes it look a little cute and trendy. I think our house doesn't look like 20-year-olds live here, and I think this really, you know, makes it more our age. And then right off our living room we have this room. It's a little bit awkward. I think it's technically like a sunroom kind of thing. So we don't really have a purpose for it, but right now I just work out in here. It is good for that, honestly. So as you can see, we have all of our yoga mats and workout stuff over here as well. And then a bunch of other like miscellaneous sports things under here. My roommates Madison and Jordan love to rollerblade and play tennis. So that all stays in that area. And we also have a printer, which we don't use often because we're not at school, but we had to get it because we can't exactly go to the library now. So that's what this room is for. And moving on outside. Out here we have a little courtyard situation. It's really nice to just like tan in. It's all enclosed by like a gate, so we have some privacy back here. We got some tanning lounge chairs. We also have a grill that we will probably never use, and a table with some more chairs. So what more could you ask for? And then off of our living room we have, I guess, like the rest of the house. It's a little less open concept. It's just like everyone else's room. So here we have Madison's room, and then you go down the hall a little bit, and then over here is Jordan's room. And then we have our other bathroom, which Madison, Mia, and Jordan all share. And then down the hall a little bit more, we have Mia's room. And then our laundry room, which is a little bit weird. We never really worked on it, but you know, we do our laundry here. There's some funny things in here, like these pictures. Whatever this is, it's a work in progress though. Hope you all enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, both at Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me both of those, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!